Today we're taking things back in time with the VHS noise effect. If you're going for that retro, glitchy, analog tape look, this one's for you. Here's how to do it. First, select your video clip from the timeline, then head over to the effects tab on the right. In the list of effects, look for one called VHS or just type VHS into the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found it, click on the VHS effect and it will instantly apply to your clip. Now, over on the right side of the screen, you'll get a few sliders to tweak. Grain adds that gritty, old school static feel. Intensity controls how strong the overall VHS look is. Dial it up or down based on how retro you want to go. Adjust both sliders until you get the perfect blend of noise, color shifts, and vintage flair. And that's it. You've now added a VHS style noise effect to your video right inside Clipchamp. If this helped you nail the retro vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Clipchamp tutorials.